Late start, but a good start. How you doing this morning? I woke up, that was a good start. But anyway, I got a late start today. It's after 10. I ain't made no money. I did make $10 so far. See, I had these. These are Samsung wireless earbuds. Samsung, you gotta do better on your earbuds. They boo-boo, bro. Yeah, so I'm gonna try these. These some skull candies. They normally 80. They was on sale for 50. I made like 400 yesterday. I'm sorry I ain't really been pushing no videos. I got a video of how I made like over 250, 300 in about 4 hours cutting grass. Last night I made like 203 hours driving and another 200 cutting. So I did like 4, right? But anyway, I don't worry about it. I know a lot of people that make a lot of money. They laugh and joke about people that's only making minimum wage or $10 an hour. Bro, don't let us broke people keep live rent free in your head. Don't let us broke, no good, low budget, no money having people live rent free in y'all rich millionaire heads. What's the purpose of having all them millions if you always comparing your life to people with nothing? I compare myself when I had nothing. So I look at what I have now, whether it's a state of mind, a peace of mind, or what's mine. Bro, look at that view I got. That's me. I'm grateful for that. If I had some walls I was surrounded by, they not as beautiful to this, but I would be grateful. Bro, yeah, it would be nice to have pretty teeth. I'm grateful to have a mouth. Yeah. So look, I got a late start today. I'm still gonna make over 200, over 100 for a show. I had to go cash checks. I had to, yeah, man, I got this. Let's see what come in the box, man. I want to see what come in the box. I'm gonna pause this real quick. Now, before I completely boo-boo on Samsung, the problem with that is I got 2 left earbuds. I lost the other ones. 2 left as in left, and 2 left as all I got. So this not gonna cut it. I might could find one of these somewhere, but the problem is one of them was not connecting anyway. I don't know if it's because it got wet, because I sweat. I don't know what the deal was. But we been open this up, because I like to buy stuff, I ain't gonna lie. You know, I bought another pair of new socks, because they was on sale. They normally $15. I got them for $5, okay? I like these thick socks. I wear new socks almost every day. Every day I wear new socks. But I'll put on some dirty, raggedy socks too, and some brand new shoes. I'm like that. You never know what to expect out of me. You never know what, you know. But look, let's check out this case. So far, I kind of like it. Let's see what's in here. Is this a charger? I paid $50. This normally $80. I don't hold it to the standards of what I buy stuff for cheap. I hold it to the standards of what they originally wanted. Okay, look. So I think this is a C. This look like maybe fast. It got a couple of these. Always keep these, man. Because if you don't have the right size of these, it won't charge right. I think that's one of the issues I was having. One side wasn't charging. Let's see if this already come charged up, bro. I like the little case. It's alright. Let's open it up. I used to didn't like these kind, man. But this is the only kind I rock with now, bro. Yeah, it look like it got the tape, come with the tape. Which means, by the way, what's the name of these, bro? These are the Skull Candy Grind series. Oh, that's perfect for me. Grind series? Oh, that's me right there, bro. Grind series, that's me, bro. We got the Smart IQ. Yeah, let's take this tape off, see what that do. Okay. Look like they come charged up already. Yeah, they come charged up already. Take the little tape off of them. Yeah, see if they up. One side ain't one side. Okay, there you go. There you go. Let's see if we connect to the phone, man. Let's see if we can connect it.